The Florida Current, an online news service smartly covering politics and policy. Subscribe for free daily alerts at thefloridacurrent.com.
A national report card on Florida's education system shows the achievement level of students increasing, while the performance gap for minorities is getting smaller.
We're very, very excited by the progress we've made in the state of Florida. We are celebrating that victory.
One of the biggest tests for educators is closing the achievement gap between white and black students and between white and Hispanic students.
It's a priority in classrooms and school districts around the state that every child get a year's worth of knowledge in a year time.
Since 1992, the gap between white and black students has closed significantly quicker than the gap between white and Hispanic students. In math, the performance gap decreased by 11% in the last 20 years.
It was not surprising that our Hispanic students and our African American students are closing the achievement gap faster than most states.
The only minority to outperform white students was their Asian counterparts. Overall, the performance for all students continues to increase.
We have made a significant change in the environment in this state in learning.
The Florida Department of Education continues to stress family involvement to help students' performance.
We try to spread the word with districts around the state about mentoring opportunities, after-school opportunities. That's one of the key factors as well.
Not only are test scores showing a smaller gap in achievement, more minorities are graduating from high school. In Tallahassee, I'm Matt Horn reporting.